Himani Pandey, and as promised before, I'm here with a series named Shortcut to Success, जिसमें मैं कोशिश करूंगी कि जितने भी एसएससी, डी ट्रिपल एस बी, बैंकिंग और यूपीएससी सीडीएस का कॉमन सिलेबस है वो आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूं. And as promised, I will be sharing their PDF notes as well so that you can download it and revise it whenever you want. So we will start with general knowledge and particularly with biology. This would be just an introductory video where I will give you all brief details of the syllabus and whatever we are going to study in future. So let's begin. So सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे the weightage of biology that comes in different exams. So as you can see that SSC जो एग्जाम कंडक्ट करता है उसमें 3 to 4 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं जो कि बायोलॉजी से आते हैं, and in UPSC CDS there are 8 to 10 questions from biology section. In banking exams there are 2 to 3 questions, and likewise in all the other state exams and DSSB you will find that 2 to 3 questions will be from biology. तो आप देख सकते हैं that biology की weightage काफी ज्यादा होती है एग्जाम में, so that's why it becomes very important for your preparation. Having said that, let's move on to the second part of the video, that is common syllabus of biology. So ये एक common list है जो कि सारे गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स में आते हैं, एंड यू विल फाइंड कि ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चंस जो है वो इन्हीं टॉपिक्स में से आते हैं. So as you know that the syllabus of GK and particularly of biology is very vast, तो हम लोग बहुत ही जो important चीज़ें हैं वही पढ़ेंगे, and that's what this series is all about, shortcut to success, right? So let's move on to the first topic that we will be studying, important branches of biology. So as I said earlier that ये जो टॉपिक है बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि ये सिर्फ एक बायो का नहीं, रीजनिंग का भी पार्ट है, ये एनालॉजी सेक्शन में आता है, सो इसलिए ये ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट बन जाता है. द सेकेंड टॉपिक इज सेल एंड इट्स डिविजन. ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी, जहाँ हम पढ़ेंगे ह्यूमन रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम, रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम, एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम. So this is human physiology. The next part is diseases, plant diseases and animal diseases. Next is plant kingdom, animal kingdom, miscellaneous questions and previous year questions also. So the first one is branches of biology. As this topic is very vast, we will only be covering main topics which have already been asked and are crucial with regard to the exam. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बोला कि बायोलॉजी का सिलेबस बहुत ज़्यादा वास्ट होता है, तो हमें सारी चीज़ें ना पढ़ के कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें पढ़नी है जो कि इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जाम के लिए और उन्हीं को बार बार रिवाइज करना है. And this topic is very important as it also comes in reasoning and analogy part that I have told you earlier. We will only study the topics which are very important for the exams to reduce the syllabus and to increase the efficiency. Next is cell and its division. The first thing that we learn here is the definition of cell, its discovery, important points to remember about cell, different theories given by eminent scientists, classification, previous year questions asked on this topic, and then at the last we'll discuss have a doubt session. Next is human physiology. First we'll discuss skeleton system, nervous system, respiratory system, digestive system, excretory system, circulatory, endocrine, reproductive, human brain, human eye, human ear, blood and blood group, muscular system, DNA and RNA, and then miscellaneous. Then at the last we will be discussing all the previous year questions जो कि इन सब टॉपिक्स में से पूछे जाते हैं. And this is the most important topic after different branches of biology because इसमें से सबसे ज़्यादा questions देखने को मिलते हैं एग्जाम में. Then moving to our next slide, we have plant kingdom, animal kingdom, miscellaneous, and then previous year questions. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you so much. We will be releasing PDF form of the notes along with the uploading of the video. So at the end, if you want to be a part of this series, then do follow us on Instagram, like the video, subscribe our channel and share it with the other aspirants as much as possible. Thank you.